Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Andrea and this is Beauty with Andy. Thank you so much for taking some time out of your day to join me. So we're going to be doing look 3, day 3 with this beautiful palette. I'm thinking oranges today. So I'm thinking all these beautiful oranges down here. Yeah, why not use them? So first of all, we're going to go in with Winning all over the lid, as always, like to set the NYX base that I've got on. So let's go and get my brush, and it appears we're without a mirror again, so let me go and get that. I honestly don't know why I forget mirrors every single time I film. So yeah, we're going to go in with Winning. I don't hear, I've watched a lot of people's hauls, don't hear anyone saying a bad word about Profusion cosmetics, especially the eyeshadow palettes, and I completely agree with them. The formula is just really nice and buttery. Right, so now let's just put this Smashbox brush through the colour switch. Let me tell you what shade I'm going to be going in with first. Okay, let's have a look. Well, that's back to front. What's going on? Oh, right. Okay. So we'll go in with Wristband as the transition shade. It's just a really nice light transition shade. So, what's that? Her. Oh. I think that's just the brush shedding. I've had this brush ages. It's the one that came with my Smashbox palette, which I'll have to do a look with soon because I don't know whether I want to declutter that or not. I'm definitely keeping this brush. It's a really good brush for the crease. And then you get that side there, so it's a dual-sided brush. Right, so that is just a slight wash of colour. We don't need to go too heavy because we're going to be using other shades. I don't know what drew me to orange because I'm not an orange type eyeshadow person. I just think it's too bright for me, but I thought why not since they're there. And also the shimmery orange looks really nice as well, so. Okay, what's next? Beat. So that one's Beat. So I'm just putting that in the crease and really deepening out the first shade we used. Right, and then we're going to use Hot AF. That's more like a red toned, so I am a little bit nervous about using that. I'm just going to use that in the outer V. I'm hoping it's going to look more coral. And we're going to run that into the crease as well. That's quite nice. Not too bright. Right, I just want to get a blending brush and blend that out a little bit. I think I'll use this Profusion one that I got with the Wanderlust palette and see how that works. Never seems to blend out right on the left eye. Okay, so now then we're going to go in with a shimmer. Oh, it's called Days, which is the orange shimmer there. Ooh, I like that. You always know when I like something because I'm like, ooh. I honestly do really like this. This is going to look pretty. What I might do is for the inner corner for this look, is put like the yellow, I can't remember what it was called, strobe lights, what we used in look 1, just in the inner corner, but let's do this first. So pretty. And like I said earlier, I'm not even at one for orange eyeshadow normally. It's that pigmented, you don't need to put a setting spray on it, but I just want to see how much more pigmented we can actually get it, so I will do it. Right, let me go and get it. Okay, so I've just got the setting spray. Right, so far on first impressions, guys, obviously I'm going to do an overall impression when I've used it for 5 days. Right, let's try again. If it's not the battery, it's the external light going. So we did spray the brush, but by now I think it'll be dry. Let's go in with that shade again. That's pigmented enough. Whoops! So clumsy. So we're going in again with Days, I think it was called. That's looking good so far. And then we're going to go in with strobe lights. First with the brush being dry, and then we'll spray it. Oh, it's raining so badly out there. Gotta go out in a second as well. Oh, that looks nice. I love the rain on the window when you don't have to go anywhere. It's so relaxing. But when you have to go out somewhere and you're putting makeup on, it's like, what's the point in you putting the makeup on? Because it's just going to come off. I have to remember to take my umbrella out. I always forget. I'm liking the look of that so far. Let me go in with Winning just on the brow bone again. And then on the lash line we will I'll use everything apart from the shade I used. That was really just a light transition shade. So I'm going to go in with this shade next. Beat, and then Hot AF after that. That's not really showing up. And then we'll go in with Hot AF. Which is definitely making it show up more. Okay, so that's what that looks like. So now let's get the eyeliner. It's gonna need sharpening again soon. I feel like I'm always saying that about this eyeliner. Right, and then mascara, is that in here as well? Yep. This look is so me. It really is. Even though I didn't think I'd like it with it being orange toned, I really do like this look. I'm gonna just go and get a lipstick, see what I can find in the lipstick edit. Right, so what I want to do is I want to use this one. I've only had it about a week or two and I've worn it once or twice, so I want to use it again now. What shade was this? Velvet Touch. So it's just a really nice warm toned lipstick. I think it might look nice with this eye look. Yes, I really like that. So this is the eye look. So guys, this concludes the video. So this is day 3 look free. I can't believe how fast this is going, but yeah, this is day 3 look free. Really enjoyed creating the looks with the Profusion Festival palette. I think it's a really nice palette, and if you can get it at your local TK Maxx for $6.99, I would say grab it. It's an absolute steal, and it's so versatile as well, isn't it? You know, it's got every eyeshadow combination that you could want. If you're a beginner, it's a really good palette because they've put the colour combinations in the same row, so you can just kind of like just go down the row that you want and, you know, put your matte creases down first and then your shimmers. I think it's really nice. I would have liked, got her there, I would have liked maybe one more shimmer, orange tone shimmer in here, but that's just the way the cookie crumbles, isn't it? You've got a lot of yellow tone shimmers, which I like there. Then in here you've got a lot of turquoise shimmers. So yeah, I think that they've done a really good job with it, Profusion. I really like this, and I also really like the Wanderlust. There is a playlist on the channel, so I normally do put that at the end of the video if you want to go and check that out. If you've not already subscribed, please click that subscribe button and notifications bell. I would love to have you over here as part of my little fam. Please like, share and comment, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.